Welcome to Square Food Foundation, and this week we have an absolutely delicious recipe for you. A really beautiful autumnal risotto with that deep, dark, iron-rich cavolo nero and some lovely chestnut mushrooms, bringing that umami sort of saltiness. It looks absolutely delicious. I really hope you enjoy it. So the first thing that you want to do is to finely slice your shallot and then chop it into a nice fine dice. Crush your garlic by taking off the tail ends, roughly chopping it and then putting it into a paste with a nice little bit of sea salt. Next you want to finely slice all of your chestnut mushrooms and leave them to one side. And then take your cavolo nero and tear the leaves off the stalk and leave to one side. You can see the cavolo nero has this beautiful sort of texture, really deep dark green, and you just want to finely shred that. Next, take your butter and pop it in a saucepan, add in your shallots and leave to sweat until it's nice and soft. In a separate frying pan, put a good glug of olive oil and you're going to start frying off your mushrooms. We're looking for all of the water to have evaporated and you to have a lovely golden colour. Once that's happened, you can add in the cavolo nero and then a really good splash of some water. Now coming back to your risotto, the onions are nice and soft. Add in all of that risotto rice. We want to get as much flavour in there as possible. Add in your red wine and you want to cook this off until all of the liquid has been absorbed. When all of the liquid has gone, you can start it ladling in our vegetable stock. Make sure it's nice and hot, a ladle at a time. Let it absorb all of that liquid and then add a little bit more. Once all of the liquid has been absorbed and you're nearly at the end of the cooking point, you can add in your cavolo nero and your chestnut mushrooms. You can see it's looking absolutely delicious, nice and moist still. You're going to add in a bit of butter and then you're going to serve it up. After you've tasted, make sure that you check for seasoning. You might need to adjust it slightly. And then you're going to just finish it off with a good sprinkle of some Parmesan cheese, depending on taste. And if you really like Parmesan, you could mix a bit through the risotto as well. It's absolutely delicious. Good sprinkle of some olive oil over the top, just to finish it off, and enjoy. Thanks for cooking along with us this week. I really hope you enjoy the recipe. Send us in your pictures and videos if you do make it. And obviously the best thing about cooking a risotto is in the eating. So I'm going to have a quick taste. You can see this lovely richness. It's quite slack as well, which is really important. And have a little taste. That cavolo nero is so delicious. I do hope you enjoy it too.